Hi guys, this is Keegan Kid. How's it going? I'm doing a review because I just bought this flashlight at Walmart for about $10. It's pretty good. It has 17 lumens, which is the standard issue for flashlights, and it's the unit that they come in for light. Um, As you can see, I bought this from Walmart. It is a energizer flashlight. It has um, it has durability that either uses that it can use um, for two AA batteries or two, three, four AAA batteries, or I think it is two C batteries, which is pretty good. It's adaptable for all types of batteries, mainly small. The light is pretty bright too. Hold on. As I said, the light is pretty bright, as you can see. You know. So yeah, it's a pretty good flashlight. It's an LED flashlight. It has a checklist of all different types of things you would need if you got lost in the wilderness. That's why you have this flashlight. It's a durability flashlight. It will actually last up to um it'll last all a really long time, even if it's in the rain. Pretty much a good flashlight. Okay. All right. Bye. Well, I mean, it's a pretty good flashlight. So, if you want, you can look it up. It's Energizer weather ready flashlight. Okay. And it's compatible with all types of batteries. Okay. All right. See you later, guys. See you probably next weekend. Okay. All right. Bye.